Hello there and welcome back to yet another video in the series Learn Fusion 360 in 5 minutes or less. In this video you will learn how to quickly sketch polygons, and also we will be exploring the sweep feature in Fusion 360. So to get started, let us create a sketch first in this plane, and I will create a circle. I'll draw a circle of 100 millimeters, and then within it I will enclose another circle of 10 millimeters and say okay and finish my sketch. Now I will I will create another sketch on the top plane, and I will use one of my favorite tools, which is the control point spline, to create a random shape like that, which passes through both the circles. And I'll say okay and finish my sketch. Oh no, there's something else I wanted to do in the same plane, so I'll just edit my sketch, and using my intersect tool, I will intersect this profile onto my top plane and say okay. And you can see that I have 2 points, one here and one here, but I will only need this point. So on this point I will go to the create drop down, and under polygon you can see that we can create different types of polygons, but I will only be showing you the circumscribed polygon, and I would like you to explore inscribed and edge polygon by yourself. So let's choose that, and from our top plane we have this point, and then we are essentially choosing the radius of our circle. So I think a radius of 7 millimeters is okay. And you can also change the number of sides, so by hitting tab on your keyboard. So it's 6 here, we can make 10, or we can even make 4, but making 4 uh, having 4 sides does not make much sense because it'll essentially be a square. So let's have 6. I'm good with 6 and press enter. So let's finish my sketch. Now that we are here, we can go to the create drop down, and we can say sweep. So now for sweep we have multiple again, just like the loft, we can choose rails and we can choose this, but we are only going to explore the single path sweep now. So first we are required to choose our profile, so I will choose this profile, and we are required to choose a path along which we are going to sweep this profile. Okay, so I will choose my larger circle, this one, and there are some more settings here which we will look later, and say okay. Now you can see that I created a fancy ring which has 6 sides. Okay, now I'll go to my sketches, show both of my sketches, and using my marking menu by right clicking on the mouse, I can repeat my sweep command, and by choosing single path sweep I will choose this profile, and I will say that I want to sweep this profile along this path. So you can see that I created something fancy right here. Now I can choose this profile to have a taper angle of 10, and so that's how it looks. And this looks like this because I am starting the profile from here, but if I were to create the same profile here or at the end points or any other place, the taper would diverge from that, and it would definitely look different. But I don't like 10 degrees, so I will choose 2. So yeah, let's have 3 degrees here and say okay. So you can see that you can create weird shapes, that weird solid geometry which is not possible using tools using features like loft or extrude. So if you want, you can save this file, and I urge you to explore the settings within the sweep command and play around with it. There's also something called the twist. So if you go to the edit feature, there's the twist angle here. So I would like you to explore that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.